boy with ball. Do it!
You gotta turn up. I told you it would hit you.
Try again, try again, try again.
Try again.
Back up. Only just do underhand on his wall.
Okay, first time on his head. It goes through his legs, hits the wall, and hits his head. Okay, Ella, chocolate.
This is gonna be funny. I can do it from here, and it can bounce and go from the wall and roll down here. Not that hard.
Just do it already.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
I'm thinking for how far you are at.
Do it, do it. Hit wherever it hits. I don't care where it hits him. Okay, do it again, but this time aim for his head. Oh, Bradley, I think you need a backup.
Bradley, it's like, where'd it go?